Supply and demand are the forces that truly move the market. Behind sudden price movements, there are often specific price levels where institutional traders previously entered with aggressive selling or buying, creating zones that act as resistance or support. These are known as supply and demand zones. I am on the Bitcoin chart in an 8-hour time frame. And what you're seeing here are supply and demand zones automatically identified on the chart. The red zone at the top represents a supply area where sellers previously stepped in aggressively, creating resistance. The green zones below are demand areas where buyers reacted, turning price around and creating support. You can also see several retest labels showing where price came back into those zones and reacted again. So, what we want to do is basically set up a trading bot that buys automatically when the supply zone, marked in red on the chart, is broken. In other words, the bot waits until a full candle closes above the supply zone, confirming that resistance has been broken. Once that condition is met, the bot opens a long position. The bot also applies take profit and stop loss levels based on your preferences and manages the trade from entry to exit without manual intervention. Let's see how this works. First, we set up a trading bot that runs in the background 24/7. Once it's active, the bot continuously listens for signals from TradingView. When a resistance level is broken, TradingView sends an alert to the bot. As soon as that alert is received, the bot takes over. It connects to your crypto exchange and immediately places a buy order. At the same time, it also sets your predefined stop loss and take profit levels to manage risk. You don't have to do anything manually. The bot handles the entire trade from entry to exit. And you can choose how you want to run it. In demo mode, it simulates the trades using virtual money. In live mode, it executes real trades using your actual funds. Either way, it follows the exact same logic, making your strategy fully automated. To get started, we first need to configure our trading bot. After that, I'll walk you through how to set up TradingView to send a buy signal to the bot when the resistance is broken. Let's begin by creating a signal bot from the left-hand menu. You can configure the bot in just 3 simple steps. In the first step, we choose the exchange and trading pair. For this example, I'll select Binance and Bitcoin. Choosing the exchange here is crucial because even in demo mode, the platform uses real market data from the selected exchange to simulate trades as accurately as possible. If you want to run the strategy on multiple pairs at once, you can create separate bots for each one. For example, you could set up one bot for Bitcoin and another for Ethereum, allowing you to automate trading across several pairs simultaneously. In the second step, we define how much capital the bot should use per trade. There are 2 options, a fixed amount or a percentage of your available balance. With the fixed option, the bot places each trade with a set value, like 100 USDT per position. The percentage-based option, on the other hand, automatically adjusts the position size based on your available balance in the exchange's spot wallet. This allows the bot to scale position sizes over time through auto-compounding. Keep in mind, though, that this dynamic option is only available in live trading. In demo mode, each position is always simulated with 100 USDT. Next, we configure the take profit and stop loss levels. In this example, I'm setting both at 5%. While this step is optional, it's highly recommended to protect your trades in case the market moves against you. It's important to align these levels with the time frame of your strategy. For example, if you're trading on higher time frames like the 12-hour or daily chart, using very tight stop loss or take profit levels isn't ideal, as price movements tend to be broader. Make sure to adjust these settings based on your strategy and personal risk tolerance. In the final step, we give our bot a name. It's best to choose something clear and descriptive so it's easy to identify later in reports. I'll name this one Supply Broken. Then, we choose whether to run the bot in demo mode if we want to test with virtual funds, and we set the status to active so it starts running in the background right away. You can also enable Telegram notifications to receive real-time updates whenever the bot takes action, whether it's opening a new position, closing one, or generating a report. Finally, click Save, and the signal bot will be up and running. As you can see, the bot has now created some key settings: a buy signal, a sell signal, and a webhook URL. The webhook URL is what establishes the connection between TradingView and our bot. Now that everything is set up, let's move over to TradingView and complete the configuration. Before anything, start by adding the supply and demand indicator created by Flux charts to your TradingView chart. These zones are automatically detected by the indicator based on price action and momentum. The objective of this setup is straightforward. We want to send an alert to our trading bot whenever a supply zone is broken. Since we have already configured our bot with appropriate take profit and stop loss levels, the entire risk management process is already in place. The bot knows exactly how much to risk per trade and how to exit the position with either a profit or a controlled loss. To fully automate this strategy, we need to create TradingView alerts. These alerts will allow our bot to take action immediately when specific conditions are met. Before creating any alerts, make sure you are on the correct trading pair and the appropriate time frame. In this example, I am using the Bitcoin chart with an 8-hour time frame. This means the bot will only act based on signals that occur under these exact conditions. Let's create our alert for the buy signal. Start by clicking on Alert from the top bar. In the alert creation window, set the condition to supply and demand. A drop-down menu will appear directly below. From there, select Supply Zone Break. In the Trigger section, choose Once per bar close. This setting ensures that the alert only triggers after the current candle has fully closed, which confirms the breakout of the supply zone. This helps avoid false signals during volatile price movements. For the expiration, choose a date that defines how long you want the alert to remain active. In the message section, you will need to use the exact buy signal that was generated by your trading bot. Copy the message provided by the bot and paste it into this field. This ensures that when the alert triggers, TradingView sends the correct signal to your bot to open a long position. Next, we need TradingView to deliver this alert to our trading bot using a webhook. Click on the Notifications tab, enable the webhook URL option, and paste the webhook URL generated by the bot into this field. If you do not see this option, it means you are using a free TradingView account. Webhook alerts are only available with a paid TradingView plan, so you may need to upgrade to access this feature. Finally, click on Create, and your buy alert is now fully configured. From this point forward, TradingView will detect when a supply zone is broken and automatically send an alert to your trading bot, which will then handle the trade execution. Now, let's go back to CryptoTailor and check on our running signal bots. As you can see, the bot is currently active in demo mode and is standing by, waiting to receive the buy signal from TradingView. As soon as the bot receives the signal, it will open a position according to the capital allocation settings we defined earlier. You can view the live trade under the Open Positions menu, where the bot updates all trade activity in real time. While the position remains open, the bot will continuously monitor the market. It will automatically close the trade based on the take profit or stop loss levels we previously configured. This makes sure every trade is fully managed without any manual input, whether to secure gains or minimize losses. As trades complete, you can assess how well the strategy is performing by checking the Closed Positions section. Here, you'll find detailed stats, including the total number of trades, number of winning and losing trades, win rate percentage, and the overall profit or loss. If you want to go even further, the Reports section and Daily Profit and Loss Summary provide a full breakdown of the strategy's performance over time, helping you understand trends, optimize settings, and make informed decisions moving forward. Now that you've seen how to automate this strategy in demo mode, let's go over how to switch the bot to live mode and connect it to your exchange so it can trade with real money. First, head over to the Exchanges menu and link your account to your preferred exchange. This is done using API keys, a secure method that allows the bot to execute trades on your behalf without ever having direct access to your funds. All major platforms, including Binance and OKX, support API key integration for smooth connectivity. When generating your API keys, be sure to set the permissions to Trade Only. This setting allows the bot to buy and sell assets, but blocks withdrawals, adding an extra layer of protection to your account. You'll also find a step-by-step guide for each exchange to help you generate and connect your API keys properly. Once your exchange is connected, switching to live trading is simple. Just change the bot mode from demo to live. From that moment on, the bot will use real money to execute trades directly on your exchange account. Now, when TradingView sends a signal, the bot uses your connected API to instantly place a live order. Just like in demo mode, it will continue to monitor the trade, automatically managing stop loss and take profit levels based on your original settings. If either level is hit, the bot will trigger a sell order to close the position. Before we wrap up, I highly recommend checking out our other video on how to create a trading bot that automatically opens long positions after market crashes. Make sure you don't miss it. And that's it. If you ever have any questions, you can submit a support ticket, and our team will be happy to help. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on algorithmic trading and automation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.